Welcome to Uping Stock Trend Prediction channel. So in this video, I will predict the Tesla maximum value and minimum value and the trend for the next week. I will also review the prediction accuracy for the last video. So watch the whole video. You will get a lot of valuable information. So let's get the Tesla TSLA chart. So this is a Tesla weekly chart, and this is a Tesla daily chart. So in the last video, video number 44, Uping video number 44, uploaded to YouTube on November 14th. I predicted the Tesla maximum minimum value and the trend for the coming week of November 15th to November 19th. So in that video, video number 44, I predicted the minimum value of 1,043 and also the maximum value of $1,044 for the coming week in that video. So I also predicted the Tesla stock price will first decrease on early next week. So early next week, that means on November 15th. So I will confirm what happened for the week of November 15th to November 19th. So this is the weekly chart. So that means this is the week of November 15th to November 19th. I provided a prediction in video number 44 after this closing price is closed during the last week before this week. So what happened in the week of November 15th to November 19th? So this is a daily chart. So that means this is a Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday of the week that happened after the video number 44. So I predicted the Monday Tesla data will decrease due to the decreasing momentum left from the past week. And you see on Monday, the Tesla data really, that's a decreasing trend, and the minimum value was decreased to this value, and after it has this kind of decreased to this kind of a minimum value, and it will also started to rebound and have a maximum value. This is a kind of to be prepared for the increasing trend of this week. So this maximum value of Monday, this value is actually goes into the minimum value predicted for this week. And you see this is $1,044, and the peak value of the maximum value of this week is 1,136. So it's basically this happened during the this week, the maximum value and the closing price. You see, this is reached to this predicted maximum value, very close to this maximum value is $1,139. So that's what happened in the week, and that's $1,031.7 is this value, $1,031.5. That's the maximum value happened during the Monday, November 15th. So even this value is very close to this one's predicted minimum value for the week. That's the $1,042. So this is just a very close with a very small relative error, and I calculated that relative error for the predicted and the actual maximum value. That's just about a 0.4% relative difference, and this minimum value, and predicted the minimum value, and the actual happened the maximum value happened on Monday, because it's a transition period, transition from the decreasing trend to increasing trend. So this value is 1% relative error from the predicted minimum value of that week, and then it will fluctuate during this band that was predicted in the video number 44. And even for Monday, and you see when Monday, when it decreased to this minimum value is happening here, and there's another special minimum value, special data point, and that was appeared during this week after Monday's data came in, and this date special dot was not shown in video number 44 because Monday's data has not come in. So even this minimum value happened on Monday. This value is, let me show you this value, and this value is $978.1, $978. So this value, minimum value, if you go to the monthly chart, and if I switch this to monthly chart, this monthly chart, I showed this monthly chart in video number 43 2 weeks ago before this week, and also showed I think I also showed this chart on video number 44 about predicted 1 week ago. So you see this $978 exactly matches this the minimum value of this band shown in this monthly chart, and that's the $977. So it's just about $2 difference from this minimum value as shown in this monthly chart. And even though on weekly chart, you see this weekly chart, this minimum value that's happened in the week when Tesla data has had a significant decrease and dropped to this value. I once mentioned in last video number 44, I once mentioned this minimum value is very close to that minimum value on the monthly chart, but is a little bit different, you see, on the past week, and it dropped a little bit further, and then this minimum value matches the minimum value of the monthly chart exactly, with only $2 of a difference. That's the confirmation of the prediction accuracy from the last video. So what will happen in the next week? From November 22, 2021. So for the coming week, the prediction, this is a daily chart. You see this daily chart still has a increasing trend, increasing momentum. So that comes from the the last Friday. So in early next week, it still has an increasing trend, increasing momentum. So the stock price of the next week, early next week, it will very likely to happen at a high price, and may have some kind of decreasing and fluctuation in this band. And this luckily it may shoot to this high price $1,183, but there's another maximum value for this band on weekly chart. This is $1,166. So that means when it had opened the high on Monday or increase this, it will goes to this maximum value, and it may have a little bit more momentum to increase it a little bit higher than this, but then the later of next week it will start to drop, to decrease. So the next week the fluctuation region is this region, So the minimum value for the next week, the minimum value predicted minimum value is this $1,055, $1,055, and the maximum value of the next week is $1,166, $1,166. So it may have a little bit more momentum to pass this a little bit, but it will. The prediction is will not increase a lot, but it will in this kind of a region. If it increased a little bit, and it may goes to $1,186. So that's the prediction for the next week. So if you are more interested in this kind of a prediction and analysis, you are welcome to subscribe Uping Stock Trend Prediction channel, or watch more video from the Uping prediction.